In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SPF record in Route 53 on AWS. We'll guide you through this process step by step, making it simple and easy to follow, all within 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or something else, it's entirely up to you. Once it's open, just type AWS into your search bar and hit Enter. You'll be directed to the main AWS website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll want to do that now. Use your credentials to log into your AWS account, and make sure you have the necessary permissions to access Route 53 and make changes to DNS records. Now that you're logged in, we're going to navigate to the Route 53 service. You can find it by using the search bar at the top of the AWS Management Console or by browsing through the services list. Route 53 is AWS's scalable and highly available domain name system web service, and it's where we'll be adding our SPF record to verify sender policies. Once in Route 53, look for the section labeled Hosted Zones. This is where you'll see a list of all the domains you have registered in Route 53. You'll need to select the domain for which you want to set up the SPF record. If you have many domains, it might be necessary to use the search functionality to quickly locate the right one. After selecting your domain, look for an option to Create Record. This will allow you to add a new DNS record, which in our case will be an SPF record. Clicking on Create Record opens up a configuration form where we can input all the necessary details about our new SPF record. Now, it's time to configure this record. First, you'll need to specify a name for the record. If you want it associated with the root domain, you can leave this field blank. Next, you'll choose the record type. In this instance, we're adding a TXT record, which is commonly used to define SPF records. Then, for the value, you'll enter your SPF record. An example you might use is v6 SPF1 include SPF google.com all. If you're unsure what your SPF record should be, check with your email provider. Moving on, there's a field labeled TTL, or Time to Live. Enter a value here, such as 3600 seconds, equivalent to 1 hour. However, it's generally safe to leave this at the default unless you have specific requirements. Finally, you'll see an option for the routing policy where you'll choose Simple Routing. Once everything is filled out, you're ready to save your new record. Click on Create Records or Create Record Set to finalize and apply these changes. And that's it. You've successfully added an SPF record in Route 53 on AWS, helping to verify your domain's email practices and improve delivery rates. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick AWS tutorials. Happy configuring!